everyone, welcome to our tutorial on setting up a firewall on the Kamatera console. Firewalls are essential for protecting your server from unauthorized access. Setting one up on the Kamatera console is super easy. First, log into the Kamatera console and locate your server. Click Open to access its settings. Navigate to Firewall on the menu that opens up on the right-hand side of the screen. Check the box labeled Firewall is disabled. Now we see the IP set section. IP sets allow you to group IP addresses for easier management. Click on Add IP set to create a new set. You'll enter a descriptive name for the group. Here we'll use trusted IPs. You can add an optional comment to describe the purpose of the set, and finally, add one or more IPs or networks to the set. Once all fields are complete, click Add IP Set to save. Now we are in the firewall settings. This is a list of rules that control incoming and outgoing traffic. You can make these rules very restrictive or set them to allow all traffic. First, you will set the input and output policy. They determine how incoming and outgoing traffic is treated. For both policies, you have the following options. Accept allows all traffic unless a rule specifies otherwise. Reject blocks traffic and notifies the sender. And drop silently discards traffic without notifying the sender. Next, we will create the firewall rules. These allow you to customize how specific traffic is handled. To create a new rule, click Add Rule. You will see a list of options to customize your firewall. Let's go through them one by one. The first drop-down is Direction. Here, we'll choose the traffic direction. Your choices are in for inbound traffic entering the network or out for outbound traffic leaving the network. Next is Interface. This specifies which network interface the firewall rule applies to, with any applying to all interfaces and net zero targeting the main WAN interface. Next is Macro. These predefined common services and ports simplify rule creation by automatically applying the relevant settings. Next, we're going to choose a protocol. This defines the type of traffic the rule applies to, such as TCP for reliable communication, UDP for faster connectionless traffic, or ICMP for ping and network diagnostics. Next, choose the source IP or network. Port. Enter the port number or range. For example, for HTTP, you would write 80. You can also use the macro option for default ports such as SSH or RDP. Next is the destination, where you can specify the destination IP or network. Next is policy. Your choices are accept to allow traffic, reject to block traffic and notify the sender, or drop to block traffic silently without notifying the sender. You can add optional comments, specify the position. You want your rules in the correct order of priority because the firewall will process rules from top to bottom. Click the Enable button. Once all fields are complete, click Add Rule. After setting up everything the way you want it, don't forget to click Update Firewall at the bottom of the interface. This saves your configuration changes. Don't exit without this step or your changes will not take effect. Congratulations, you have successfully configured a firewall on the Kamatera console.